रिश्ता वही सोच नहीं।
Welcome to Nikai ke Khatte Meethe Pal, where you know it, we teach you how to make the best food in the minimum effort and time. Today's episode is dedicated to the generation of youngsters who treat the gym like their temple and who eat the most healthy foods only. इन लोगों को अगर इतना सा भी पनीर या मक्खन वाले पराठे खाने को कह दो तो कहने वाले को तो एक हेल्थ लेक्चर मुफ्त में दे देते हैं. So today's episode is dedicated to such health freaks. Now we are going to start today's recipes with this concept which is called the pre-workout food concept. In a pre-workout food you have equal amount of carbohydrates and proteins, and it's very essential to have a pre-workout meal before you hit the gym. So let's ask Chef Combs what his first pre-workout meal for the day is. Chef, welcome to Nikai ke Khatte Meethe Pal.
Welcome. Tell me, what is the fat? Can I reduce some fats?
Sure, go ahead.
Please.
Let's cut out all the fat and throw it out.
Yes.
Because this show is about healthy food.
All right. So we start with.
Sure.
Tell me. We are going to make a sandwiches.
Okay, and what's the sandwich called?
Healthy Russian sandwich.
Healthy Russian sandwich. Sounds exciting to me.
Yes.
Okay.
Because of the Russians, only one thing they do, they add in tomato sauce on it. That's which the changes in the sandwiches.
Okay, so that makes a big change.
Yes.
बहुत बड़ा change आ जाता है जब आप tomato sauce डालते हैं.
In other sandwiches we don't put, right? If you see, go ahead in our,
जी.
they don't put. So that's why it's it. What they do, they make almost salad,
जी.
then I stuff it on the things. So I'm going to do that, okay?
Okay.
हेल्दी रशियन सैंडविच को बनाने के लिए आपको चाहिए ब्रेड 8 स्लाइसेस, लेटस 250 ग्राम्स, कैरेट 100 ग्राम्स, स्प्राउटेड मूंग 100 ग्राम्स, सॉल्ट टू टेस्ट, पेपर पाउडर हाफ टी स्पून, मायोनाइज 2 tablespoon, saltless butter to taste, cheese optional, and tomato sauce 1 teaspoon.
Mr. Jafar,
Okay.
let's make the mixture ready.
Okay.
Okay.
So sprouted beans.
Yes.
या sprouted मूंग क्या कहते हैं इसको?
कुछ भी आप कह लो, मूंग हिंदी
Sprouted
में,
मूंग.
बीन्स इंग्लिश में, तो आप कहीं भी पकड़ो वही है, बस that's you get the result. Right?
Gyan time for our audience. Sprouted moong is very good for
For health,
digestion
yes.
because it's got certain enzymes that promote a good and healthy digestion. Okay, next.
Little carrot.
Carrots.
It's good
Gyan
for-
time again. Carrots are very rich in something called beta carotene, which actually helps prevent a lot of cancers. So again, another very healthy food.
Very good. And some lettuce.
Okay, a little bit of lettuce.
Yes. Also healthy food,
Yeah,
right?
rich in roughage or fiber as they call it.
And
Okay.
you
White
put-
pepper.
Yes, little bit to give it taste.
Just चुटकी भर.
Shwaya, that's it.
Shwaya.
Yes.
Shwaya white pepper.
Yes.
Okay.
Little salt.
नमक स्वादानुसार.
Yes. That's I forget. Swad anusar.
Classic.
Okay.
जी.
Then you have little mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Yeah. Now I think our audience can go light on the mayonnaise if they want to.
Definitely.
हम लोगों ने जो इस्तेमाल किया है सब कुछ लो फैट है, लेकिन अगर आप और कैलोरीज घटाना चाहते हैं तो ज़रूर यूज़ लेबने. Chef,
Yes.
that's a very good choice instead of the mayonnaise and the butter and everything. Lebne.
Then we put little tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Okay.
On the end, I'm going to put the cheese.
Grated cheese. This is cheddar cheese, chef.
Yes. At the moment, I'm using cheddar cheese. The
Oh.
fat.
Grated cheddar cheese.
Okay. The mixture is ready.
जी.
Right. I mix it up.
Okay. Mix it.
Dandana. Mix.
Taran. Dun taran.
Yes. Very good. That's what I want. You have to enjoy when you're cooking, right?
Yes.
You cannot
sing, dance, listen to the radio,
Yes.
chef. Do you do that, by
That
the
too,
way?
yes.
Do you listen to the radio while
Of course.
cooking?
In my kitchen,
when you're mixing, you're
always,
dancing and everything.
My boys are happy when they're listening to the songs. Their mind happy and they go in the mood. They don't have the stress in the kitchen. You understand?
Excellent.
Okay. Now, this is the knife. I
Okay.
want to take it out some fat. But
Okay.
what I'm going to do now this time,
Okay.
the fat, little fat on the little.
थोड़ा सा मक्खन on the bread loaf.
Yes.
Spread it across.
Yes.
अच्छा. और
अच्छा तो हमको लगा दो बेटा.
और जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि आप लेबने भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ द बटर. ताकि आप ज़्यादा कैलोरीज घटाएं।
Calories हम डाल दिए उसमें.
जी
Okay.
Yeah.
Now what I'm going to do?
जी
मतलब थोड़ा.
हाँ, मिक्सचर को उसके ऊपर रख दें।
Yes.
ओके
Now, this is 2 tips,
जी।
not 1 tips. Okay.
जी, ज्ञान टाइम, फिर से ज्ञान टाइम। 2 टिप मिलने वाले हैं, गौर से सुनिए।
अगर you want to keep like this,
जी
open, you can keep it.
अच्छा, तो खुला चाहें तो आप खुला रख के ऐसे खा सकते हैं, वरना आप सैंडविच की तरह भी खा सकते हैं।
Right. I'm going to make the sandwich now. This one.
जी, हम लोग सैंडविच बना रहे हैं आज।
Yes.
दैट लुक्स वेरी हेल्दी।
Can I put here?
जी
Please. Thank you. And just do it like this.
या
Okay.
फ्लिप इट,
You want to cut? Cut
इसको
this way.
सैंडविच कर दें और फिर हम लोग कट करने वाले हैं। एंड आई थिंक शेफ हैज़ यूज्ड अ डायगोनल कट,
Yes.
सो
Give little better look.
Acha.
If you are going to eat then and there, you can have it. But you want to put something just to hold both the bread together.
Yeah.
You do like this.
if you're serving it to your friends, make sure that you do all
Yes.
this. इम्प्रेशन बनता है ना।
Yes.
लेकिन अगर खुद खा रहे हो तो ऐसे ही खा लो।
आला तुल खा लो, यानी कोई देखता नहीं।
हाँ भाई।
जफर साहब,
जी
सैंडविच तैयार है।
जी
Can I have the service plates?
श्योर। वाओ शेफ, आपने इसको इतनी अच्छी तरह डेकोरेट किया है।
Yes, because of the healthy, what we said healthy, right?
हाँ।
I put some salad.
ओके, और ये है पोटैटो चिप्स
No.
जो आपने
हमने रोस्ट किया इसको.
रोस्ट किया
You
है।
cut like a
अच्छा।
French fry.
Okay.
And put in the oven and it's come out like
हाँ,
this.
तो कुछ लाइक ग्रिल
Yes,
जो
can be
किया
grilled,
है,
yeah.
तो बहुत हेल्दी है। तो वी डोंट हैव टू डीप फ्राई आवर थिंग्स,
Right.
वी हैव टू जस्ट रोस्ट इट।
You are getting right. What happening?
आई एम ऑलवेज राइट शेफ।
Fantastic. Okay.
ओके
This is the sandwich.
Okay.
And put like this.
Yeah. Wow, chef. Amazing product. We have our healthy Russian sandwich all made.
Yes. Can you just hold it, Mr.
Ji.
Gaurav? I have some tips to give people.
Ji.
If you want to keep in hygiene way
Acha.
and want to carry on,
Okay.
use these bags. You know, that's
Acha.
healthy. Vacuum pie. You
Okay.
put it like this and use it.
तो इसको अगर बैग में डाल के आप रखेंगे तो इट्स गोना बी एयर टाइट
Yes.
और बहुत अच्छा
Yeah, and you can
फ्रेश
carry also. You want to
रहेगा।
take
फ्रेश
anywhere.
रहेगा।
Anything, you know. Not
Acha.
only the sandwiches, salad also you can keep. Anything you want to keep.
ओके
इसको बनाने के लिए take grated cabbage and grated carrots, add mayonnaise, salt and pepper to it. Keep this now aside and take 2 slices of brown bread. Apply butter on it and put the grated vegetable mixture which we have prepared and kept aside. And cover with another slice of bread. Now cut it to 2 or 4 pieces and top it with tomato sauce. It's ready to eat.
तो ये रहा द हेल्दी रशियन सैंडविच जो हमने बनाया है अभी। वी हैव यूज्ड होल व्हीट ब्रेड एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बट यू कैन एक्चुअली इम्प्रोवाइज अगर आप चाहते हो। यू कैन यूज लेबने एज आई सेड इंस्टेड ऑफ द अदर प्रोडक्ट्स दैट वी हैव यूज्ड। सो गो अहेड, मेक दिस एंड ईट इट बिफोर यू हिट द जिम नेक्स्ट टाइम। इट्स टाइम फॉर अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक। सी यू आफ्टर द ब्रेक।
रिश्ता वही सोच नहीं।
आईफा वीकेंड में देखिए ये तो सिर्फ एक झलक है।
मेरा ही जलवा।
अब लंका में बजेगा बॉलीवुड का डंका।
मेरा ही जलवा।
आईफा वॉर श्रीलंका जल्द आ रहा है स्टार प्लस पर।
Whenever you've wanted the latest, I've never disappointed you. When I say I'll help with all the household chores, I mean it. You know, even years later, I'll always be there for you. Nikai Electronics and Appliances, the Mr. Reliable in your life.